Welcome to the video explanation and demonstration of Wireless Nurse Call System. The product solution is designed and manufactured by FORBIX Semicon. The solution comprises of various components. First is the patient calling button remote control to call nurse lying from the bed. Second is the nurse station display panel. It shows the patient number who is calling. Next is the pull cord transmitters. These enables a person to call, even from washrooms. And then the red beacon lights. These revolving flashing lights, alerts, attendants, guards, or ward boys, patrolling the corridors. The lights are even visible from a distant location. Here is a quick video demonstration, showing the working all these components. At start, all the panels light up once, as a part of self-testing. This is the wireless remote controller. As you can see, pressing it sends wireless RF alert signals to the corresponding receiver panel. The tuner knob modulates the buzzing loudness. This is the pull cord transmitter unit. Red button to call attendant, and yellow to cancel the call. As you can see, pulling the cord alerts the nurse station. All the components are modular, and does not need any wiring or installation. As evident, the whole solution is plug and play. It works on latest wireless radio frequency technology. Call buttons are scalable, from a few to over 6,000 beds. Now, let us show you the video of revolving beacon red light alert. It is quite possible to configure a remote controller for a particular beacon light. All possible combinations of remotes and pull cords to receiver and beacon light that can be thought of can be configured. Thanks for patiently watching the video. For more information, call at the numbers shown or write to us. We are available at www.forbixindia.com or www.forbix.eu.